Hello, my name is Mark Blocker. In this segment, we're going to cover how to load a nail gun. Okay, here I've got a couple models of nail guns, a framing gun and a finish gun, and I'll use those to demonstrate just a couple of different types of guns, and they all pretty much load the same way. They all have a spring fastening device that holds the nails in place in the track assembly. Okay, so the first step is to remove the spring assembly or slide it back and lock it in open position. Should slide back and latch. Once it's slidden back and latched, the nails load in through a slot on the top of the rack assembly just by simply dropping the nails into place and then just releasing the latch mechanism that slides down and holds the nails in the rack. And that's done by pushing the release button. That slides them down and loads them in the rack. That's how you load a framing gun. The finish gun is done primarily the same way. I want to release the latch assembly, and the nails load in through the top of the slot, the rack assembly that holds the nails. And we just want to slide the nails into that assembly and release the latching mechanism. That's how you load a nail gun.